For Ruby operation, turn on the laser, place desired material into the laser, and then focus. Open the Ruby software. If the file is complete and ready to be processed, select the design file from another screen or folder and drag the supported design format directly into the Ruby Prepare screen. Then use the red dot pointer or the overhead camera shown here to position the graphic onto the material. Select the material from the Materials database, then push the file to the laser, and press Start on the laser to process the design. Another process for Ruby is to use all four screens: the Manage, Design, Prepare, and Produce screens. Start in the Manage screen. Drag the design file in or select the Import button shown here. Select a compatible file and open that file. Select that file from the Manage screen list to open the Design screen. The Design screen allows for files to be created or edited. In this example, I will add text to the graphic. Adjust the text size and snap it to the box center. Once editing is complete, select Create Job. This will take the design into the Prepare screen. Use the red dot pointer or overhead camera shown here to position the graphic onto the material. Select the material from the Materials database, then push the file to the laser, and press Start on the laser to process the design. Ruby is an advanced laser workflow software that provides, in many cases, all the graphic tools you need to create designs, graphics, photo, and text elements, preventing time-consuming switching between laser software and design software, especially when making adjustments to design or laser jobs. Ruby software seamlessly works with files created in popular design software such as CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, AutoCAD, as well as SVG, EPS, and PDF vector formats, and non-vector formats such as JPG, PNG, and BMP. When files are loaded into the Ruby software, errors are automatically detected and fixed, optimizing them for the laser machine, including line thicknesses and colors. While Ruby software does not replace advanced graphic software packages, it enables users to quickly adjust imported designs when necessary, eliminating the need to switch back and forth between different software packages to make multiple file adjustments. This significantly streamlines the design process, saving time and effort. The workflow leads you step by step from the idea of a laser job to the finished end product, like this bamboo wood gift box.